In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can enable videos to autoplay on Facebook. Now, if I go to videos here, I have quite a number of videos that are available on my account here, but the problem is they are not playing as I scroll. However, I like them just to automatically play whenever I scroll over. To enable that, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and tap on this menu icon that is shown by your image or your photo, and then this will open the menu. From the menu, go and tap on settings shown by this gear. If I tap on it, it will display this. Now scroll down until you get to preferences here, and then under preferences look for the option called media, and it is here. Now go ahead and tap on it and come to autoplay here. As you can see, it is currently set to never autoplay videos, and this is why my videos are not automatically playing whenever I scroll through my Facebook videos. Now go ahead and make this change by choosing either to autoplay on Wi-Fi only or on both mobile data and Wi-Fi. So if I go ahead and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, now the change has been saved. Now let me go back and see if they will autoplay. So I'll go ahead and now go ahead and tap on videos here, and look at that. Now they are autoplaying. So that's how you make your videos to automatically play whenever you scroll on Facebook. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.